Okay, so this is question 7. See if you got the same answer as me in this question. So here's a GeoGebra sketch of the graph in question, and the tangent. Remember that the tangent is tangential to the curve at the point in question. So it's got the same gradient as the curve at the point where they touch. So for a linear equation, thank you, that's my coffee arriving. For a linear equation, we need two pieces of information. We need to know the gradient at the point, and we need to know a point that it goes through. So gradient, obviously I need to differentiate, but before I can do that, I need to put the equation in a form that I can differentiate. So y equals 3x to the power 3 over 2 minus 9x to the half. So when I differentiate that, multiply by the power, 9 over 2, reduce the power by 1, and multiply again by the power, get 9 over 2 again, reduce the power by 1, they get minus a half. So I've got an expression for y and an expression for dy dx now. Now I'm told that the value of x that we're interested in is x equals 4. So when we substitute the value x equals 4 into this equation, the equation for y to start with, we get y equals 3 times 4 to the power 3 over 2 minus 9 times 4 to the power of a half. That's 6. And when x equals 4, dy dx is 9 over 2 times 4 to the half, 4 to the half, minus 9 over 2 times 4 to the minus a half, which equals 27 over 4. So some of you may have used that information in the equation y equals mx plus c to work out the equation of the line, but my preference is to use this equation, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. This tends to be quicker and simpler than the y equals mx plus c. So that's the one I'm going to use. So x1, y1 is the point on the line, and m is the gradient of the line. So x1 is 4 and y1 is 6. So we get y minus 6 equals m, which is 27 over 4, times x minus x1 is the value of x that we're given. So when we multiply out the brackets and simplify, we get y equals, what did I get? 27 over 4x minus 21. Is that what you got? If you did, well done. We'll move on to the next question.